Welcome to this journey of peace and tranquility. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Today, we delve into the realm of mindfulness meditation. This ancient practice, originating from Buddhist traditions, has become a global phenomenon in our modern world. Mindfulness meditation is the art of being fully present, taking a moment to just be. It's about observing without judgment, about finding tranquility in the chaos of everyday life. The benefits are profound, and they extend far beyond the meditation cushion. Mindfulness can help reduce stress, enhance focus, and promote emotional well-being. It can make us more resilient, more compassionate, and more aware. It's not just about sitting quietly, it's about transforming how we relate to the world around us. The beauty of mindfulness meditation lies in its simplicity. All it requires is a quiet space and a willing mind. Before diving into the process, it's important to create a conducive environment for meditation. A quiet and comfortable space plays a vital role in enhancing the meditation experience. The less distraction, the better. Your sanctuary could be a corner of your room, a spot in your garden, or even a peaceful outdoor locale. Next, let's ponder on attire. Clothing can significantly impact your comfort level during meditation. Opt for loose, breathable attire that won't restrict your movement or cause discomfort. Think soft fabrics and stretchy materials. Lastly, let's address posture. An upright and relaxed posture can facilitate better focus and breathing. Whether you're sitting on a cushion, chair, or mat, ensure your back is straight but not stiff. Feel free to experiment with different positions to find what feels best for you. Remember, the key is to be comfortable and relaxed. Now, we're ready to embark on our mindfulness journey. Breathing is a vital element of mindfulness meditation. It's the simple act we do every moment of every day. Yet when harnessed correctly, it becomes a powerful tool for clarity, calm, and concentration. Let's explore the process of mindful breathing. It's an exercise in simplicity, really. As you inhale, allow your attention to follow the journey of the air as it enters your body, fills your lungs, and causes your chest and abdomen to rise. As you exhale, observe the sensation of the air leaving your body, the gentle fall of your chest and abdomen. This focus on the breath serves as an anchor for the mind. It's a constant, unchanging point of reference that helps us to stay grounded in the present moment. When we become distracted, as we invariably will, our breath is always there, waiting patiently for us to return our attention to it. Now, let's delve into different breathing techniques that can enhance your mindfulness meditation practice. The first is a technique known as square breathing. Picture a square in your mind. As you inhale, trace along one side of the square, hold your breath as you trace the next side, exhale along the third side, and hold again on the final side. This promotes a sense of balance and calm, perfect for those moments when life feels a bit too chaotic. The second technique is diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing. This involves breathing deeply into your diaphragm rather than shallowly into your chest. This type of breathing is particularly effective for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. The third technique is the 4-7-8 method. Inhale for a count of 4, hold the breath for a count of 7, and then exhale slowly over a count of 8. This method can help to calm the mind and prepare it for sleep. Each of these techniques has its own unique benefits, but all of them share a common goal: to help you maintain your focus during meditation and foster a deeper connection with the present moment. By mastering your breath, you master your mind. The breath is the bridge that links the mind and the body, the conscious and the unconscious. By taking control of your breath, you're taking the first step towards achieving true mindfulness. Now that we're comfortable and our breath is under control, it's time to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness, at its core, is about being fully present, aware of our surroundings and not overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. It's about acknowledging our thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's about being here in the present moment, fully engaged in whatever we're doing. So, how do we practice this during meditation? It's simpler than you might think. The first step is to focus on your breath. It's our anchor, our constant companion throughout this process. Feel the air as it enters your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen as you breathe. This is your center, your home base, and it's where you'll return your attention whenever it wanders. And wander it will, because that's what minds do. They think, they create, they wander, and that's perfectly okay. When you notice your mind has wandered away from your breath, don't judge or berate yourself, simply acknowledge it. You might think, there's a thought or there's a feeling, and that's all. You don't need to follow it or engage with it, simply acknowledge it, and then gently, kindly, bring your attention back to your breath. This is the practice of mindfulness meditation. It's not about stopping thoughts or emptying your mind. It's about acknowledging thoughts and feelings as they arise without getting caught up in them. It's about cultivating a kind and curious awareness of whatever is happening in the present moment. But mindfulness isn't confined to meditation. It's a practice that can be incorporated into every aspect of your day. When you're eating, pay attention to the taste, texture, and smell of your food. When you're walking, notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the feeling of the wind against your skin. When you're talking to someone, really listen to them, without planning what you're going to say next or judging what they're saying. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily life in this way can help reduce stress, improve your focus, and increase your enjoyment of life. It's a simple practice, but it can have profound effects. Remember, mindfulness is not about achieving a certain state or feeling a certain way. It's about being fully present and engaged in whatever you're doing. It's about accepting each moment as it is, without judgment or resistance. So as you go about your day, try to bring this mindful awareness into everything you do. When you find your mind wandering, gently bring it back to the present moment. And when you find yourself getting caught up in thoughts or feelings, remember to acknowledge them without judgment and then return your focus to whatever you're doing. Mindfulness is not just a practice, it's a way of life. Like any new skill, mindfulness meditation comes with its own set of challenges. It's not always about sitting in tranquility and feeling an immediate sense of calm. More often than not, it's about facing the whirlwind of thoughts, distractions, and emotions that come rushing in as soon as we close our eyes. One common challenge is dealing with distractions. The outside world can be noisy, and our inside world can be even noisier. The key to overcoming this is not to resist, but to acknowledge. When a distraction arises, simply note it without judgment and return your focus to your breath. Over time, you'll notice these distractions lose their power over you. Next up, restlessness. It's not uncommon to feel restless or impatient, especially when you're just starting out. You might feel like you're not doing it right or that it's not working. Here, patience is your best friend. Mindfulness is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about being present in each moment, not rushing to reach a particular state of mind. So be patient with yourself. And then there are unrealistic expectations. We live in a world where instant gratification is the norm. We want results, and we want them now. But mindfulness meditation is not a quick fix. It's a lifelong practice that requires consistency. If you're expecting to become a Zen master overnight, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Instead, aim for consistency. A few minutes each day can make a significant difference over time. Lastly, be compassionate towards yourself. It's easy to be hard on ourselves, especially when things don't go as planned. But remember, mindfulness is about acceptance, not perfection. So, when you stumble, don't beat yourself up. Instead, gently guide yourself back to the path. Remember, every step, no matter how small, is progress on this journey of mindfulness. So keep going. Embrace the challenges, learn from them, and continue to grow. You're doing great. As we come to the end of this guide, remember the essence of mindfulness lies in the present moment. Today we've navigated the tranquil waters of mindfulness meditation, learning how to prepare ourselves, adopting the right breathing techniques, immersing in the practice, and addressing common challenges while offering tips for success. Mindfulness meditation is more than just a practice. It's a lifestyle that rekindles our relationship with the present, helping us navigate life's storms with a calm and composed mind. The benefits of this practice are profound, from reduced stress and anxiety to improved focus and emotional well-being. So why not make it a part of your daily routine? Embrace the present and let the magic of mindfulness unfold, one breath at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to share this video with those who might benefit from it. Subscribe to our channel for more content on mindfulness and meditation. Until next time, breathe easy and stay mindful.